Hello guys, welcome back to Advanced Learners YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you how you can easily convert your PDF files into Microsoft Word equivalent online without using any paid software, guys. So without wasting much of your time, we're gonna just do a very quick one here. So all you want to do is head over to google.com and type PDF to Word converter, and once you type PDF to Word converter, there you're gonna have you're gonna find many options here. The best to use is this PDF to doc.com. So you want to click on this PDF to Word.com and open it. The reason why I recommend this PDF to doc converter is because it is very easy to use, and there are many other free softwares here as well, but with the PDF to doc converter you can get your PDF files converted to their docs equivalent in a very short period of time. In like as short as even 2 minutes you can get your stuff converted and downloaded back to your system. And another pretty good another beautiful factor is that you can as well convert your PDF files to docs, which is the old Microsoft Word document version. PDF to text, you can as well convert your PDF files to JPG, your PDF files to PNG, your XPX files to PDF. You can as well compress your PDF file, combine your PDF, convert your JPG images to PDF. You convert any other format, any at all to PDF. So you can see we have many more beautiful tools here that you can't just find elsewhere. And at the end of the day, you are doing all these things for free, and you are doing it in as little as 2 minutes. So this is why it is beautiful. And another good thing is that you're gonna have your files after conversion. Your files will be minimized, because it's not like you're gonna find a heavy file. No, the output rather would be very well optimized, so that you won't have a very big file, bulky file down there on your system, so that you don't eat up storage. And again, it preserves the quality of your images, your text formattings, and all of those things, guys. So I just wish you can try it out, and you will discover all of this for yourself. So without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna quickly look for a PDF file. Okay, in this case it's gonna be my CV. So this is actually the path to where it is. Okay, fine. I'm gonna want to click down upload files. I'm gonna go to download. I'm gonna go to videos. I'm gonna go to new video, and this here is the file. So I'm gonna upload this file right now. You can see how fast and automated the process is. Now it's done. So I'm gonna want to hit download. Now my files are back. So I'm gonna choose a totally different saving folder to save it. So I'm gonna just hit save, and I want to just show in folder, and you can see the already downloaded and converted Microsoft Word equivalent. So in order to check this file to be sure that you have all of your text formatting options, and just as it is in the main file, I would just want to open it right now so that we can check. I'm gonna click open, and then I'm gonna go back to the main file itself, from where we actually uploaded this file. Okay, here is where we actually uploaded from. So I'm gonna open this as well, so that we can both compare. We can compare to see if the text formatting options are actually as beautiful as I have designed, as I have made it to look in the PDF original document. Okay, as we can all see, this is looking beautiful. We can go back to the Microsoft Word the converted file. As you can see, you can maximize it, and you can see how beautiful it looks as well. It looks good. You can see it looks good, it looks beautiful. Your formatting options are there. You can see everything is just as beautiful as it is on the okay. We have a little issue here, but notwithstanding, everything is looking as beautiful as it is in the main PDF file. You can see. So guys, this is a very good software. You can actually try out that software, and I really do believe you're gonna enjoy that software when you try it out, man. So this is the end of this tutorial. I want you to hit the subscribe button if you have not done that. Hit the like button as well if you like this tutorial, and leave your comments just in case you have any contribution to make. And do not forget to hit to turn on the notification button, just in case of my new publications or my new tutorials, so that you can get notified right there at your email just anytime I publish a new video or new tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.